Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a glittery but gooey skull makeup. So the first thing you're going to do is glue down those eyebrows. So make sure that you get glue on all sides of the hairs and you can start brushing those upwards. Once you like how they're laying on your forehead, you want to just let that layer of glue dry. I usually do 3 layers of glue, and once you've done the 3rd layer, then you can give it a powder. Alright, and now that those eyebrows are out of the way, I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and just start sketching out the design that I want on my face. I hadn't fully planned out what I wanted to do, so some of this is just making it up as I go along. But yes, you just want to kind of sketch out where you want to put things before you actually start laying down any product. Once you have a rough idea of where you want everything to go, you can start filling in the lines. I'm using a Mehron Creamstick foundation for the skin tone colors, and then I'm using the Mehron Paradise paints for everything else. I'm drawing in some white and black lines on the inside of the skull to give it a little bit of texture, and then I'm going over that with the NYX Prismatic shadow in the color Gilded, and then again with black on the edges to add a little bit of a shadow. Now that my skull has a little bit of a golden tint to it, I'm going to go back in with the Paradise paints and darken up some of those black lines, and then I'm also going to take a blue color and draw little gooey leaks coming out of my head, and then using some of the black to create the cracks in the skull where the blue goo is dripping from. So now I'm going back in with white to highlight the raised areas of the design, and then black to create shadows in the design, and this will hopefully give it a more 3D effect. So now it's time to bedazzle your face! All I did was put a layer of spirit gum down, wait for it to get tacky, and then I just took some gemstones and just created some sort of pattern on my face, and then I also used spirit gum to put some glitter down on my face as well. So now that I'm mostly done with my face, I'm going to move on to the chest area because I wanted to draw on some bones and a little rib cage. So I'm just using the same Paradise paints on that area and then going over it again with the same gold eyeshadow and black as well to create some shadows. Once you have your bones where you want them, you can just fill in the rest of the area. So you can either do all black, or I chose to draw a little blue heart inside of the ribcage to match the color of the goo coming out of my face. And of course we want to be sparkly, so I'm using the same spirit gum to put some glitter on, as well as some more gemstones on select areas of the bones. And once you have the torso of your skeleton set up how you want it, you can go back in with some of the gemstones and put them over the teeth of the skull, and then plop on some lashes, and you're done! Spooky, scary skeletons.